Alright, so yet again, me get banned from going live on this platform. So, wanna just do. Who did get the number already? Just text the number. Read the jobs in a Tennessee, Nashville. Alright. I can't even say the number yet, so but I'm gonna try to write it in the caption one way and see. You know them people are gonna end up take up a page? They're gonna end up take with a page, yeah, but make sure no do and follow me on YouTube. Make sure so subscribe to the YouTube. So if anything and them take me off of this, I can come back again with another channel or another page or you can find me easy. Alright guys, so just subscribe to the YouTube. The link is in my bio. It's Confidence by Foxy, and don't forget that I have the raffle going on now, so you can get for win a bag. You understand? All enough to do, subscribe to the YouTube and comment 3 times over there. Alright guys, so yeah, them say I can't come back live till tomorrow after 12, so